Health benefits of shea butter with source. Benefits. Shea butter for eczema treatment. Shea butter is an efficient nose anti-congestant. Shea butter may relieve symptoms of arthritis. Shea butter may alleviate symptoms of irritated injured skin. Shea butter has anti-inflammatory properties. Shea butter may slow down skin aging. Shea butter may treat acne. Shea butter may prevent split ends in hair. Shea butter may reduce skin scarring. Shea butter may aid in wound healing. Shea butter compounds act as mosquito deterrents. Now foods, solutions, shea butter review. Description: natural, emollient, seals in moisture. Hexane-free. Condition: dry or rough skin in need of moisture, especially on tougher areas such as the elbows, knees and feet. Solution: natural shea butter has a rich, luxurious texture that penetrates deep to condition and moisturize every type of skin. Shea butter is derived from the tree nuts of the carrot trees that grow in Western and Central Africa. It is a wonderful emollient that's perfect for daily use. Can also be used as a scalp moisturizer. Suggested use: gently apply as desired, paying close attention to dry or rough areas, reapply as needed. This product is naturally hard and color texture will vary depending on temperature. This product will melt when warmed above body temperature and become solid again when cool. This is natural and may affect the appearance, but will not harm the quality of the product. This warming and cooling may produce fat crystals affecting the color texture, making it appear grainy or uneven. If hard, shea butter can be softened by placing in a pan of hot water, for example 100 F or warmer, for 30 minutes or microwaved until soft. Warnings. Caution for microwaving: this jar contains a foil seal. Do not place this jar directly in microwave. Before microwaving, scoop out a desired amount and place in a microwave-safe container. Allow time to cool before applying. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.